What is up everyone, Polartron here, back with another reaction video, and today I'm going to be checking out another Gametoons logic video. This one is called Boyfriend vs. Cartoon Cat. I really like Cartoon Cat. He's just a very nice character and I'm really excited to check out this video. So if you guys want any more Friday Night Funkin' Logic videos, please like, comment, subscribe, and we're starting out right now. Oh, this is going to be fun. Okay, we got the legendary classic Cartoon Cat.
You ready?
Ready!
Here it goes. This one's for all the babes at home. Specifically, the one that's in my home. Carol. Love you, babe.
What? Doesn't look like he's doing it for Carol.
Beat that, gravity.
Oh shit, he's here.
Wait, what is that? Out of the way, bro. I'm going too fast to stop. Hey, what are you doing? Help!
Oh no, that's Cartoon Cat, alright.
Thanks for the save, girlfriend.
Make the
Who
best
are
out
you,
of a
man?
snack.
What's your deal?
Hey, weird cat thing, over here. No eating, my friends. Girlfriend, drop a beat.
Okay. That sounds good. Not gonna lie, that actually sounds good. Dude, he just punched him in the face. Boom! Huh?
No,
Player, are you okay?
we have to call for help.
Way ahead of you, but no signal.
No
I'll run
signal.
outside, see if I can flag someone down.
That sucks.
No, girlfriend, look.
No. That's impossible. The door was just here. Hello? Anybody? Help!
It's useless. No one's coming for us. We have to find Woody ourselves.
You sure you're okay to move?
I'm sure. We need to find Woody.
Seems like a weird place for a cartoon to live.
He's not a cartoon.
What?
I
If
felt
he's
it
not
when
a
I
cartoon,
punched
what
him.
is he?
That cat thing is a costume.
What's underneath it?
I'm hoping we don't have to find out.
Oh no.
There's gotta be a way across.
There!
Smart.
That
Okay,
thing's
that's
rotting all
smart.
the way through. There's no way it can hold us.
We'll never find
Go
Woody
one
with
at a
that
time.
attitude. Trust me, it's fine. Just gotta put one
Or
foot
take your hat off or your shoes off. Anything
in
that can,
front of the other.
you know, add
Told
weight.
ya, it's fine. This is even kind of fun.
Imagine you just fall.
Girlfriend,
Quit your worrying and come on.
look. I
those
think
claw signs?
he's down there.
Psh, as if. A rotten water-filled hole would make a terrible evil lair. Listen to the demon.
Oh shit!
No!
What? Yo, he's in there. Okay, I don't know why it's glitching like that. Is this cat like magical or something?
Woody, girlfriend, you're okay.
Ugh, am I? I feel so gross.
Before you ask, demon saliva does not wash out.
Yeah, I think I'm just gonna hug you with my eyes.
Is it dead?
It isn't
better be.
breathing.
Was it ever breathing?
Witty, don't.
Of course it was.
Hey, you don't eat Witty without suffering severe consequences. Gonna write idiot on his stupid idiot face.
Imagine he
Hey,
opens
get
his
away
mouth.
From there.
Oh,
you're gonna be
is
dead.
someone scared?
Dead meat.
Yes!
Whoa, wait.
Like, yo, forget about your
This
revenge,
isn't
Witty.
a face. It's like a mask.
Witty!
Let's see who you really are.
Witty, stop!
Ah! Ah!
Yeah. You shouldn't do that. It's not cool.
I'm seeing new colors.
Don't look, girlfriend! Plug your ears! Close your eyes!
Is this its true form?
I don't think so. Our brains are trying to make sense of something we don't understand. I think this thing is even more powerful than we could have possibly imagined. Some kind of demigod or cosmic horror. We need to be careful.
Well, you have already beaten him in a rap battle. Twice. I'm sure we'll be fine.
That's the thing. I don't know if I really beat him in those rap battles. Or if he just let me win. I think he's just playing with his food.
How do we get out of
Okay.
here?
Oh.
We need some way to weaken
In that
it
case, you're
to
just
stop
done
that
now.
sound. Then we can
Boy,
run.
you have no way.
I don't know.
Come on, think, girlfriend. There's got to be something that we can do.
We have to put its mask back on.
Ooh, good idea. But where is it? I can't see anything.
I've got a solution. Hold on.
I can hear him getting closer. Hurry up.
Okay, this is getting
Got
creepy.
him. Wait! Oh no!
He's almost here. My ears.
I'm gonna have to look.
No,
It's okay.
I can see. Girlfriend, you're a genius. Girlfriend,
Oh no, she needs sunglasses.
no.
It's too bright. Even I
I'll
feel like
figure out a way
wearing
to save you,
sunglasses.
girlfriend. Just gotta find.
Go ahead.
There it is.
So it basically glows. That's cool.
No.
That is cool. But he's still alive now.
Phew, okay. Mr. Cartoon Cat, sir, now that we put your mask back on, will you consider letting us go? Yeah, no harm, no foul, right, girlfriend?
Ah.
See? All good
He's
here.
still not better. Okay, well, that is it for Gametoons Logic Boyfriend versus Cartoon Cat. That was just an awesome one. If you guys want any more of these, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.